Hello everyone, my name is Pooja. Today's date is 2nd April. Today's video topic name is synchronization in Java. Synchronization in Java is the capability to control the access of multiple thread of any shared resource. In a multi-threading program, sometimes multiple thread try to access the same resource and at a time, and it's finally produce the error. So it need to make the sure by some synchronized method that only one thread can access the resource at a given time, or at a time only one thread can access the resource. Then it cannot be get the error, or it cannot produce the error. So why we use the synchronization? To prevent the thread interference and to prevent the consistency in the problem, we have to use the synchronization. We declare all the synchronized block in Java by using the synchronize keyword. The block that is declared with the synchronize keyword ensure that only the single thread execute at the particular time. No other thread can enter into the synchronized block until the thread inside that block complete the execution or exit the block. Means only one thread can access the resource at a time. If it completes its block, then after the chance of the next thread to execute it. We can use the synchronize keyword in 4 different types of blocks. Synchronize instance method, synchronize static method, synchronize inside instant method, synchronize instant inside the static method. So first is the synchronize instance method. When we use synchronize block with the instance method, then each object has the synchronize method. There can be only one thread for each object that can execute inside the instance method. If this is more than one object, then the single thread can execute inside the block of the each object. For example, public class demo, private int count is equal to 0, public synchronize void increment in a bracket int value. Inside that method, count is equal to value and count plus plus. Then we have to get the increment count. Second is the synchronize static method. We can make the static method as synchronize, just like the mark the instance method using the synchronize keyword. For example, public static demo, private, in that private static int count is equal to 0, public static synchronize void increment in a bracket int value. Inside that method, count is equal to value count plus plus. So we get the count increment count. But in this method we have to use this static method. Inside that we have to use the synchronize keyword. And third is the synchronize block inside the instance method. If you do not want to synchronize the whole method, you can just make the particular block inside the method is synchronized. For example, public void increment in a bracket int value, inside that synchronize in a bracket this. In that, under the synchronize, this dot count is equal to value count plus plus. Is like that we have to use synchronize block inside the instance method. Fourth is the synchronize block inside the static method. We can also use the synchronize block inside the static method as like a synchronize block inside the instance method. For example, public class demo, inside public static void print in a bracket string message. Inside that static method we have to use synchronize block. So synchronize in a bracket demo dot class. Inside that synchronize block, print the message. So as like we have to use synchronize block inside the static methods. So why we need the synchronization in a Java? So first, the synchronize keyword in a Java provide the facility of locking and unlocking, uh, which ensures that no race condition occurs among the threads. The synchronize keyword also prevents the reordering of the program statements. Means we can reorder or we can change the program statements using synchronize keyword. The synchronize keyword provides the locking and unlocking facility. The thread needs to get the lock before getting inside the synchronized block. After getting the lock, the read the data from the main memory. After reading the data, it write the operation and release the lock.